Tense physical frame, short tempers, exhaustion. If your children are relating to these symptoms, they may be the result of a busy, overscheduled routine. We all want to give our children the best chances to succeed, and for that we leave no stone unturned. We enroll them into various classes through which they can discover their passion. But what if the load of these classes is wearing them out and breaking them down? Every activity in your child's day, school, sports, arts, social commitments, they all compete for your child's attention and energy. Both of these are in limited supply. And when they run out, children can start losing interest in activities they once used to enjoy, feeling burnt out, throwing tantrums with increasing frequency, performing poorly in school. So how do you provide learning opportunities to your children without overexerting them and causing a complete breakdown? Let's find out. Create space for play and boredom. Contrary to what you've heard, boredom is actually a necessary component of childhood. This will lead kids to become more creative. It'll also recharge their tired little minds so they can process what they have learned throughout the day and form lasting associations. Playtime and self-care have a similar impact on their mindset. Prioritize the calendar. Are there some activities they are just not good at? Drop them to make time for the ones where they do shine. Before adding another activity, check to see that it is not cutting into too much of their downtime and playtime. Focus on enrichment. Does an activity bring joy and excitement into your child's life, or is it becoming a source for anxiety and conflicts? The activities on the child's schedule should take into consideration their inherent nature. A creative introvert will fare better in an art class rather than in a basketball camp. Shrug off competition. Kids next door, a ballet and a chess champion? Afraid your child will be left behind in the competition? Your fear can trigger an inferiority complex in your child, causing a lifetime of insecurity and low self-esteem. Strong, secure parents needn't worry about their child going out into the world. Your support and guidance will help them weather any storm with their own capabilities. Encourage personal development. Kids need hobbies, even those that they won't win certificates and medals for. If your child likes to bake, play music, or stargaze, support these interests. This will certainly be a break for them when they get stressed, while growing up and later in life. Observe and course correct. No two children are alike, so there is no one-size-fits-all solution for planning your child's activities. So keep observing their energy and enthusiasm and keep course correcting till you have found what's right for your little one. Good luck!